our app. This is our app logo, and I have just in the description I have given you the link for app. So if you download the app, this is what the home screen it will look like. You just have to log in with your mobile number, right? So don't worry. I will not call you and I will not tell you to buy this course like other institute, right? Just log in. Not going to disturb you by calling something and so on, right? So you just log in with your mobile number and you will have this as your home page, right? Don't worry about this, right? Don't worry about this. I will speak about this. And this is your home page. In home page, you can see home, batches, store, chats, and profile, right? So these are the options you will have. And you can see here in the top left, you will have some three lines, right? So if you press those lines, you will have these options. You will have these options: offline download, study material, free test, student testimonial, payments, and so on. So you just go to study material. In study material, you will be having these as your PDFs, and these are the videos. I haven't imported any video yet, right? So I just want to start the app freshly. I'm not going to use my YouTube videos, or I'm not going to use my unacademy videos. I'm going to start entirely freshly, right? So entirely new content based on the new trends. So these are the PDFs. These are the PDFs that you will have syllabus and you will have practice tests, and just adjust with me. I will inside practice test. You will not have any material as of now, right? Because just now I have got the app. I'm working on it. Since I'm working as a single person, um, I need to search for it for other person to type those, right? That is taking time. So I'll upload this quickly. And these are my lecture notes. When I'm taking the lecture and I'll be giving you notes, right? That will be in this folder. And a question bank, again, every chapter I'll be giving question bank, where every chapter I'll be dividing that into topic wise. And each topic wise, I'll giving you a lot of questions. That's such that it has PYQ and also practice problems also. And last, you have question paper. That is the last 12, 13 years question papers are there in this folder. This is what you have in, you will have when you go through this, you will have in study material. And in store, right? So in store, you can see that analytical geometry complete course is starting Friday. Um, and 2499, right? So it is a very lengthy course, right? I think it will be around 40 to 50 videos. So it will go off, it will go for 1.5 months, I think. Very important topic, huge chapter. So I'll assure that you will do any question in analytical geometry after this course, right? After this course. And there is a coupon also, right? So there is a coupon also. So what you can do is you just use this coupon code, right? So AG 500, you're going to get 500 rupees off, right? So that is you're going to get it for 1999, right? So you just subtract 500 from this 1999, and this coupon code will work only for 10 enrollments, right? Because our audience is very less. I have spent so much money in making this app, so I just have to at least I just have to take my investment, right? So for that only I'm purchasing this. I'm just keeping this money because in YouTube also, in Unacademy also, I have uploaded all videos only for free only, right? So just to get my investment only, I'm just keeping this price for 1.5 month. I'm just asking you 1999 only, right? So don't get angry on me. This is the fact. This is the fact. This is a fact, right? So you just use my code. You just use this code AG500, analytical geometry 500. You are going to get 500 rupees off. And remember, this only works for first 10 students, right? The first 10 students. So if you are planning, just believe me and purchase it out. As of now, there is only one video. Right? As of now, there is only one video. You can see it is lecture number 1, direction cosines, right? So there is only one video. First, we're going to start with direction cosines. I have already in that video, I have given you the flow of content and what are the things that we are going to do in analytical geometry. That is a free video only, right? You can watch that video. So without even purchasing this course, you can watch this video for free. And this is syllabus for analytical geometry paper 1. I have just classified this into 7 parts, right? So these all I have talked in that video, right? These all I have talked in lecture number 1 video. You just play that video and see, right? That will be the that will be the setup for the classes will be, right? This will be the setup for classes. That is the screen and my view. That will be the new setup for our upcoming videos, right? Everything will be starting freshly. So I'm not importing my YouTube content here. Everything we will start freshly, right? So this I have this I have talked about this in that video. So if you have, I have just classified this into 7 parts, and the book list I'm going to follow, and the number of marks that you're going to have. Right, that is I have already talked. Right. Yes, how to download the app is I have already given the description. In the description, I have given you the app link for Android. And if you want to see in web version, right? If you want to see this in web version, that is, if you want to see this in, if you want to use our app in a desktop, you just log into this website, right? web.classplusapp.com, right? So if you use this, I just attach this PPT. I just put this link in the description also for web version. If you press this link, you will have you will get into this you will get into this screen. Um, Remember, this is our organization code, right? This is our organization code, HUWPU, right? Very, very important code. You have to use this organization code, then only you will enroll in our app, right? So HUWPU, right? Remember this code, very, very important code. And you just log in with your mobile number, you will have a desktop view, right? And if you are using iOS, right? If you are using iOS, what you have to do is you just download the app Class Plus in your app store. This is the app Class Plus. And again, if you in the login page, you will have these two informations, right? They will be asking you the organization code and mobile number. So our organization code is HUWPU and mobile number you can log in with, right? So don't worry, don't get worried by giving you mobile number, right? I'll not call you, I'll not force you to buy a course will not be right. I will not disturb you at all. So this is our organization code, right? HUWPU. So this is our Android link is directly in the description. For iOS, use this. Sorry, for web version, I have also uploaded. I have also given the link in the description. For iOS only, I'm not giving you any link. You have to do this in your own. Just go to Class Plus in your app store, use organization code HUWPU, right? HUWPU, right? That's it. That is what I have to. I have just came live just to tell the information that we are going to start a new journey from now on. Naman Narwal, right? For every topic, charges will be different, right? I won't charge maximum. Maximum will be 2,000, right? And you have to be aware that I have already given you the free. I have already completed linear algebra, complex analysis, real analysis, differential calculus, and integral calculus, right? So those 4 chapters, I'm not going to. I'm just going. I already completed Unacademy, right? If you want, you can also go through that video so that you will have 4 chapters for free itself, right? Remaining only remaining 8 to 9 chapters only. I'm going to charge, but I'm not going to charge maximum of 2,000 only. Is the maximum amount I'm going to charge for each chapter, right? It will be less only, but it will not be more. It will not be more, right? That is what I'm telling, right? It's a lengthy course. It will go on. It will go for almost 1.5 months, I think, right? I'll just post the detailed. I'll just post the detailed syllabus and the schedule and the topic that we're going to cover. This will have recorded as well as live. Okay? This will have recorded as well as live. So I'll just tell you all that in our Telegram group. And the very important thing is, if you haven't joined Telegram group, join a Telegram group, right? That's it, right? So thank you, thank you. So I think there is no more question. Thank you.